So we're standing here on the loop line today, and this is a really important historical feature of this area. This was the first railway line to the south through Thelmere, Hilltop and Colo Vale, and it remained the main line until about 1919 when it was bypassed by what is now the current alignment of the railway track. Regular services continued along the loop line until 1978 for not only local commuter services but transporting goods and produce from the many farms in the region to the markets in Sydney. So as part of the loop line upgrade, we're doing many works to make the track fit for service again. That includes partial re-sleepering, which is replacing the rotted timber sleepers with steel sleepers. We've also undertaken some turnout replacements, re-railing in some areas, and then we'll be undertaking some geotechnical works to make sure the cuttings and the rock faces are stabilised for the trains that will be running on the track in the future. So when the loop line upgrade is finished, we're going to be able to offer a new range of heritage train experiences here at the New South Wales Rail Museum to bring yet more visitors to the museum and to the local region. Some of those new experiences, the trip to Colo Vale, will be about a 3-hour round trip. We're looking towards providing a refreshment service on the train. Some of the fantastic scenery you're going to see includes the National Park and also Big Hill Cutting. As part of the loop line upgrade, we're upgrading 5 level crossings that have not been active in the past 30 to 40 years to provide better access for communities in those local villages. That's really important for the local community to understand the need to be safe around those level crossings and make sure you stop, because you never know when a train will be passing through. Also, the upgrade of the line will enhance the local communities of Hilltop and Colo Vale in particular, where indeed the train will either terminate and turn around and come back. We'll be able to provide trains for special events and other activities, festivals, community markets in those villages as we move forward. And indeed the line can act as a way of bringing water to communities during bushfire emergencies.
There are a small number of bridges along the Loop Line upgrade project. The most notable of these being the Lygar Street Rail Underbridge. This 110-year-old structure was assessed by structural engineers and the span found to be in need of replacement. A new span was designed in accordance with relevant Australian and rail structural standards and installed in mid-2024. The installation of the new span represents a great step forward in enabling trains to once again return to Colo Vale. Big Hill Cutting, as it's known, is an iconic location between Balmoral and Hilltop, and it's a focal point for works on the Loop Line upgrade project. The cutting was constructed in the 1860s using rudimentary tools and dynamite. At the time of its construction, it was the deepest in Australia at 23 metres. Remarkably, despite the cutting being over 150 years of age, it's in overall very good condition. However, we will still be undertaking a detailed geotechnical assessment and design of the cutting to ensure that trains can safely pass through. Hazardous trees will be removed. Additionally, we'll be treating other loose rocks through a scaling process or rock bolting as required. It will be great once again to see steam trains pass through this iconic location at the end of the works.